Hello viewers, welcome to yet another toy unboxing video. Today I am with these squeezy for babies. I have 6 different squeezy toys that my father bought me from DMart. This cost around 179 Indian rupee. Come on, let's unbox this toys and let me see that I like this or not. चल अनबॉक्सिंग कर. Hello viewers, I am yet unboxing this package. खसड़े पे માંથી કયો સ્કીઝી આવ્યો તો જોવા તો દે. Aditi, 1 minute. So these are the toys that came out of this unboxing. This is a cute little rabbit. This is a cute little lion. This is a chimpanzee. This is an elephant. By the way, I like elephant. And this is a rhino. And the last one is a pussy cat. By the way, my father has bought me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different animal squeezy toys, but I liked this label of this package. How is the taste, Aditi? Did you like the taste, Aditi? Did you like the taste, Aditi? Aditi, did you like the taste?